Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to discuss how to download apps without Apple ID passwords. So I'm tapping get, it's showing me the Apple ID password again and again. So fix this issue. First of all, you want to go back to your home screen and then open up your settings app. So you want to open up settings, go to the screen time and then tap on content and privacy restrictions. So tap on iTunes and App Store purchase and then give it your screen time password. So tap on don't it to hide. So turn the toggle off for content and privacy restrictions. So go back to your settings menu and then tap on your Apple ID banner name. So tap on media and purchase, tap on password settings. As you can see guys, is free to download. So turn the toggle on, give it your Apple ID password, tap on that OK, tap on done and then go back to your home screen and then open up App Store and then search for your favorite apps. I'm selecting Roblox. So as you can see guys, is get, so I'm tapping get and waiting some seconds. As you can see guys, Roblox is downloading without Apple ID password. So that's it guys for today video. If the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. If you have no problem, let me know in the comment. Are you happy more? Thanks for watching.